Hi student, in last lecture we see our next second point, that is approximation, question number 1. Now in that lecture we see our next second point, that is question number 2. Find the approximate value of. Here we have to find the approximate value of trigonometry angles. So first question 2, first one, that is sine 61 degree. Sine 61 degree, given that here we have given the value of 1 degree is 0.0174 radian. 174 radian, and root 3 is 1.732. 1.732. Let us consider f of x, which is function in the term of sine, that is sin x. Then what is derivative of sine cos x? Now let's say a plus h means the value which is 61 degree. But we can't find the 61 degree. We know the particular angle, that is 30, 60, 45 and so on. Since we split the 61 degree as 60 degree plus 1 degree, which means 60 plus 1, that is 61 degree. Therefore a is equal to 60 degree and h is equal to 1 degree. Therefore using approximations. By using approximations, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. F of a plus h, that is 61 degree, is approximately, f of a means 60 degree plus h is 1 degree into f dash of 60 degree. F of 61 degree, what is f of x? Sin x. Since f of 61 degree, sin 61 degree is approximately, f of 60 degree means sin 60 degree, plus what is value of 1 degree which is given, 0.0174 into f dash of 60. What is f dash of x? Cos x. Since it is cos 60 degree. Now we know the values, that is sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 plus 0.0174 as it is into cos 60 degree is 1/2. Here we have given the value of root 3, that is 1.732 upon 2 plus we divide this 0.0174 by 2. 0, again it is 0, again 0. Now it is 17, then it is 8, again it is 1, next it is 6, again it is 2, since it is 20. 1 by 2 8s are 16, 1, it is 14, then 2 6s are 12. Again here 2 7s are 40, that means 0.0087, and again it is divided by 2. See, therefore sin 61 degree 1732 2 point, that means 0 point. Now it is 17, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, again it is 1, now it is 13, so 2 6s are 12. Now again it is 1, again 12, so 2 6s are 12. 0.866, and it is 0.0087. Since the answer is, we have to write this as a 866 and this is 0.0087, we have to take addition, 640, again it is 7 and 0.8747. Sin 61 degree, approximate value of sin 61 degree is 0.87. Look at here, we know the value of sin 60 degree which is 0.866. value of sin 60 degree is 0.866 and this is 61 degree, म्हणजे 60 पेक्षा अँगल जास्त आहे, म्हणजे ह्याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला 0.86 पेक्षा कशी मिळाली पाहिजे, जास्त मिळाली पाहिजे. सो आन्सर ऑफ sin 61 degree is 0.8747. Now see the next question. Sin 29 degree 30 minutes. Sin 29 degree and 30 minutes. minutes. And what is given here? That is 1 degree, 0.0175 radian. And second root 3, 1.732 also. Now again f of x is in terms of sin x. Therefore f dash of x is again cos x. Now what is a plus h? 29 degree and 30 minutes. Again we can't find, this is not a particular angle. So we take आता 29 च्या जवळ असा कोणता अँगल आहे की जो आपण फाइंड करू शकतो तो 30 डिग्री आहे पहा. हियर वी हॅव गिवन 29 degree and 30 minutes. 30 minutes means half degree. 60 minutes means 1 degree. So 30 minutes means half degree. Here we have given the angle 29 degree and half degree. So we write this as a 30 degree minus 1/2 degree. This is 29 plus half. And here I am taking 30 minus half, which is same. So here we will get a is equal to 30 degree and h is equal to minus 1 degree upon 2. And here we know the value of 1 degree upon 2. H is equal to 1 degree, but it is minus. Value of 1 degree is 0.0175 upon 2. 0. Again it is 0, again 0, 0.0. 008, again it is 1, then it is 15, so 2, 7, again it is 1, that means it is 0.00875. This is value of h. What is a plus h? That is 29 degree and 30 minutes. F of a, which is 30 degree. Value of h minus 0.00875. How to find the h? That is 1 degree upon 2 into f dash of a means cos 30 degree. F of 39. How to define? That is sin of 29 degree and 30 minutes is approximately. F of 30 degree means sin 30 degree. Minus the 0.00875. As it is, and cos 30 degree, which is half. Cos 30 is 1/2, that means 0.5 it is. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. And again we know the value of root 3, that is 1.732, and divided by 2, then it is 0.866. And sin 30 degree is 0.5 minus, this is 0.00875, and value of this root 3 by 2 is 0.866. If we take the product of this, that is 0.5 minus product of these two is 0.0075775. Since sin 29 degree and 30 minutes is approximately equal to 0.5 minus this 0.0075775 is 0.4925. Now look at here. We know the value of sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1/2. That means which is 0.5. But the value, this angle is less than 30 degree. So this value is less than 0.5. That means which is near equal to the 1/2. Since the value of sin 29 degree and 30 minutes is 0.49 and 25. Now let us see. Next question, that is cos of 60 degree and 30 minutes. Cos 60 degree and 30 minutes. And what is given here? Given value of 1 degree, 0.0175 radian, and root 3, 1.732. This value is given. Again, now function is in the form of cos x. Now what is derivative of cos? That is minus sin x. A plus h is 60 degree 30 minutes. Again we find the particular angle, that is cos 60, not cos 60 degree and 30 minutes. So write this as a 60 degree plus 30 degree means half degree. Therefore A is equal to 60 degree and h is equal to, and value of 1 degree is 0.0175 upon 2, and that is 0.00875. Now using approximations. F of A plus h is approximately equal to f of A plus h into f dash of A. Therefore, what is A plus h? 60 degree 30 minutes. Is approximately equal to f of A is 60 degree, plus h is 0.00875 into f dash of A, that is minus sin 6, hence it is minus sin 60 degree. F of means cos of 60 degree and 30 minutes. F of 60, that is cos 60, plus 0.00875 again as it is. Now minus sin 60. Now sin 60 is root 3 by 2, but here minus, and you know the value of root 3, that is minus sin 60 root 3 upon 2. Cos 60 degree is 1/2 plus 0.00875. Because this minus sign, they are take minus sign, root 3 upon 2, value of root 3 01.732 upon 2. 1/2 means 0.5 minus 0.00875 again as it is, and this is 0.866. Therefore, which is cos of 60 degree and 30 minutes is approximately equal to 0.5 minus 0.0075775. The product of this, in second example, we take the product of this 0.00875, that is 0.0075. And the approximate answer is 0.4925 also. Cos 60 degree and 30 minutes. Now see, sin and which is cos 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Sin 0 0, which is 1/2. This is 1 upon root 2 and this is root 3 upon 2. Here it is 1. Root 3 upon 2. Here 1 upon root 2 and here it is half. म्हणजे ह्याचे कॉसचे अँगल्स काय होतात ते वाढत जातात ते पाहिजे. म्हणजे कॉस अँगल कमी कमी होत जाते आणि साइनचे अँगल्स वाढत जातात. म्हणून cos 60 ची प्रॉपर व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 0.5 आहे. पण आता ही व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? cos 60 च्या पुढे गेलेली आहे. cos 60 च्या पुढे चालली आहे, म्हणजे तिची व्हॅल्यू आता काय होत जाईल? कमी होत जाईल. सो दिस इज लेस दॅन 0.5. सो value of cos 60 degree is 0.49. Now see the next question. Question number 4. Sine values. वाढतात तशा कॉस्टच्या व्हॅल्यूज कमी होतात. Next question, that is question number 4. Tan 45 degree 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Again here we have given 1 degree 0.0175. Again write f of x is equal to tan x. Then f dash of x is sec square x, right? A plus h, 45 degree and 40 minutes. Again, we can't find directly the value of this tan of 45 degree and 40 minutes. So we split this 45 degree plus 40 minutes. Since the value of A is 45 degree, value of A is 45 degree and h is equal to 40 minutes. But we don't find the value of this 40 minutes. So we take it in radian, that is 40. We know 60 minutes. 60 minutes is 8 degree hoto. So 40 minutes divided by 60 minutes, and we know the value of 1 degree, 0.017. 1 0 will get cancelled here. That is 2 upon 3 into 0.0175. If we multiply this, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 0.0350 upon 3, 0, again 0, 1, again which is 1, now here 2, it is 20, 3 6 are 18, again 2, that is 0.1166. This is value of our h. Now use the formula that is for approximation, right? Formula for approximations. Therefore, by using approximations, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. What is a plus h? That is 45 degree and 40 minutes. इथे व्यवस्थित पहा 40 मिनिट्स आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करता येत नाही आणि ज्यावेळी 30 मिनिट्स येतात म्हणजे आपल्याला माहिती आहे हाफ डिग्री असतो, मग 40 मिनिट्स आपल्याला डिग्रीमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. सो काय केलं मी 60 मिनिट्सने डिवाइड केला, 1 डिग्रीची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहिती, एफ ऑफ ए दॅट इज एफ ऑफ 45 डिग्री इंटू व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एच दॅट इज 6 हे काय पुन्हा रिकरिंग डेसिमल आहे, सो वी टेक 0.1167 इंटू एफ डॅश ऑफ दॅट इज sec square of 45 degree. F of 45 degree, which is defined as tan. That means tan of 45 degree and 40 minutes. Therefore, f of 45 degree, tan of 45 degree plus 0.1167 into sec square 45 degree, that is root 2 square. And tan pi by 4, 45 degree, which is pi by 4. It's pi by 4, or we write 1 upon root 2. Sorry, tan pi by 4 is 1. Tan pi by 4 is 1 plus 0.1167 root 2 square is 2. Therefore, tan 45 degree and 40 minutes is approximately equal to 1 plus multiply by 2, 2 4 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, again carry 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, and again 2 1s are 2. That is 0.2334. Hence it is 1.2334. Tan 45 degree and 40 minutes. We know the approximate value of tan 45 degree, which is 1. But here we have given the angle 45 degree and 40 minutes. म्हणजे 45 पेक्षा तो थोडासा जास्त आहे. So its value is greater than 1, since it is 1.2334. So in next lecture 1.0, sorry, it is 0.11 here, 0.11, since it here 0.2 and it is 1.02. Here we find the value of 0.011. I'm writing here only 0.11. So here take it 1 0 since it is 0.023, and if we take addition of this, then we will get the 1.02334. In next lecture we see our next question in exercise number 2.3, that is question number 3. Thank you.